Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add reviews from Yotpo to your Wix website. So let's get started. The first thing, you want to scroll down a little bit and click the first link down in the description. This will take you directly to an application that we're looking to install called Fera. Alternatively, you can navigate over apps and then click on app market right here. Once you are loaded, you want to search for apps. In this case, we're looking for an app called Fera, F-E-R-A. Once you looked for this app, you want to install it right here. You can see that this app is already installed for me. So once you've installed this, you're going to find yourself at the Fera dashboard. From here, you want to click this green button right here, add/import reviews, navigate to the top right corner, click add reviews. And here you want to choose the first option, which is import or sync. Once you've clicked this, you can see that Yotpo is actually the first import source right here. So once you click this, it's going to ask you for an app key and a secret key. So in order for us to get these two keys, we want to view instructions on how to actually get them. So you can see right here that what you want to do is you want to log into your Yotpo dashboard, click on settings, store settings, ensure you're under general settings. And then you want to copy the app key and the secret key. Once you've done that, you want to come back to the Fera import source integration, and here you want to paste the app key and the secret key. Once you've done that, you simply click start import, and Fera is going to start pulling reviews from Yotpo to your Shopify store. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video.